Hey everyone! If you're looking to start a business in paradise, then pay close attention. Today, I'm diving into how you can launch a business in Mauritius with low capital. Mauritius is not just a vacation hotspot, it's also a growing hub for entrepreneurs. Let's get started. First, let's talk about tourism. Mauritius is famous for its stunning beaches and luxury resorts, but did you know you can start a small tourism-related business with minimal investment? Think about offering personalized guided tours or setting up a local craft store. You don't need a massive budget, just a bit of creativity and a passion for sharing the island's beauty. Another great option is the food industry. Street food in Mauritius is a big hit with both locals and tourists. You can start a food truck or a small food stall serving local delicacies like dol puri or gajak. With a low starting cost, you can tap into the vibrant food culture and make a name for yourself. Now let's consider the digital landscape. The world is becoming more digital, and Mauritius is no exception. Freelancing or starting a small digital marketing agency can be done from anywhere on the island. All you need is a laptop and a good internet connection. Offer services like social media management, graphic design, or content writing. Don't overlook the agriculture sector. Mauritius has fertile land and a favorable climate for farming. You can start small with organic farming or hydroponics. Local markets and restaurants are always looking for fresh produce. Plus, there's a growing demand for organic products. And last but not least, consider the retail sector. Opening a small boutique or an online store for locally made products can be a great way to start. You can showcase Mauritius's unique culture and craftsmanship to the world. Use social media to market your products and reach a wider audience without breaking the bank. So, there you have it. Starting a business in Mauritius doesn't require a fortune. With a bit of planning, creativity, and passion, you can turn your dream into a reality. Whether it's tourism, food, digital services, agriculture, or retail, Mauritius offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs with low capital. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship. See you next time.